Do you remember Sweet Tomatoes all-you-can-eat buffet restaurants? They were well known for their fresh salad bars, soups, pastas, and bakery items, and I absolutely loved going there. Unfortunately, they had to close all of their locations in 2020 due to the pandemic. But recently, there was news that the chain is beginning to reopen some locations. In fact, 2 Sweet Tomatoes restaurants have opened in Tucson, Arizona just this past spring. It may be a while before one opens near you, but until then, we can make some of the fan favorites right in our own kitchen. For example, Sweet Tomatoes Baja bean and cilantro salad, which was always a favorite of mine. It's flavorful and fresh, made with a combination of beans, cilantro, onion, and tangy dressing. A perfect late summer dish. Ready to remake a favorite? Grab your apron and let's get started. This recipe is really easy, and when you consider how delicious it is, it's just a double bonus. I need 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. We're mixing up the dressing for it first. I need 3 tablespoons of sugar, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. Just stir it together. And then we'll set it aside until we're ready to dress our salad. In a larger bowl, we've got 3 cans of beans, garbanzos, red beans, and black beans. They've all been drained and rinsed. Add them all to our bowl. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of diced red onions, 1/8 cup of chopped cilantro, and 1 tablespoon of pickled jalapenos. These are jalapenos like you could go on nachos, usually really easy to get hold of. And just mix it all together thoroughly. Now, I don't know about you, but that looks pretty to me already. Now, we're going to go back to our dressing. Stir it up, make sure that the sugar's not settled to the bottom. Pour it over our bean mixture and just toss it to coat. Now I'm just going to place it in a prettier serving dish. And at that point, you want to cover it and put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for a couple of hours just so that the flavors all blend together. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today to whip up Sweet Tomatoes Baja bean and cilantro salad. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and are excited to try it out. It's such a refreshing and easy dish, perfect for summer. If you give it a go, let me know how you liked it in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and any tweaks you might have made to the recipe. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cat Scratch Kitchen for more tasty recipes. And hey, if you have any other favorite dishes from Sweet Tomatoes or any other restaurants you'd like me to try and recreate, drop your suggestions in the comments. And until next time, have fun in the kitchen.